Starting a digital planner business from scratch might seem overwhelming, but I'm going to show you exactly how to build this into a sustainable source of passive income. If you're looking to create a real online business that generates revenue while you sleep, this is the video for you. And if you're serious about building something meaningful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more strategies on creating digital products and scaling your income. Let's start with the fundamental truth about digital products. They require upfront work, but once you've created them, they can sell infinitely without you needing to manufacture, ship, or manage inventory. This is the magic of digital entrepreneurship. The initial investment is mostly your time and a small amount of money for tools and platforms. First, you need to understand what makes a digital planner valuable. People are willing to pay for planners because they solve real problems. They help with organization, time management, productivity, and goal tracking. Your job is to create something so useful that people will actually use it and recommend it to others. Think about the pain points your target audience faces and build your product around solving those specific problems. Before you start creating, you need to do market research. Look at what's already selling on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. See what price points are working. Check out Facebook groups and Reddit communities where your target customers hang out. What problems are they complaining about? What solutions are they asking for? This information is pure gold. It tells you exactly what to build. Now let's talk about product creation. You don't need fancy design software or years of experience. Tools like Canva Pro, Adobe InDesign, or even Google Slides can help you create professional-looking digital planners. Start simple. Your first planner might be a daily planning template, a weekly schedule, a budget tracker, or a habit tracking system. The key is making it beautiful and functional. When you're designing your planner, think about your customer's experience. Will they print it or use it digitally? If it's digital, what format works best? PDF is universal and works across all devices. Make sure your planner is visually appealing with a cohesive color scheme, readable fonts, and clear organization. Test it yourself. Use it for a week. Does it actually make your life better? If it doesn't work for you, it won't work for your customers. One powerful approach is creating planners for specific niches. Don't just make a generic planner. Make one for entrepreneurs, for teachers, for students, for parents, for fitness enthusiasts, for writers, or for any specific group with unique needs. Niche products have less competition and higher perceived value. People in a specific niche are more willing to pay premium prices because the product speaks directly to their situation. You'll want to create multiple versions or complementary products. If you create a daily planner, also create a monthly overview, a goal-setting template, and a reflection journal. Bundle them together or sell them separately. This expands your revenue per customer and gives you more products to market. It also increases the perceived value when customers see they're getting comprehensive planning tools. Once your product is ready, it's time to set up your Shopify store. Shopify is perfect for selling digital products because it's user-friendly, reliable, and integrates with email marketing tools. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a simple theme that matches your brand. You don't need anything fancy at this stage. Clean and professional is better than complicated and confusing. Setting up your Shopify store involves several key steps. First, customize your store name and domain. Then set up your product listings with clear titles, descriptions, and pricing. For digital products, you'll use Shopify's digital delivery feature, which automatically sends the product to customers after purchase. This happens instantly, requiring zero work from you after the sale. Your product descriptions matter more than you think. Don't just list features. Sell the benefits and transformation. Instead of saying it includes 90 daily planning pages, say, finally get organized and never miss a deadline again. Show customers the before and after. What's their life like without your planner? What's it like with it? Paint that picture. Pricing your digital planner is crucial. Most digital planners sell between $12 and $49. Start with competitive pricing based on your market research. You can always increase prices later as you build credibility and improve your products. Consider offering bundle deals where customers save money buying multiple products together. This increases order value significantly. Now let's talk about getting traffic to your store. Creating an amazing product means nothing if nobody knows about it. You need a marketing strategy. Start with platforms where your target customers already spend time. If you're targeting busy professionals, LinkedIn and email might work best. If you're targeting students, TikTok and Instagram might be better. Social media is your best friend when you're starting out with zero budget. Create content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest showing planners in action. Post before and after photos. Share testimonials from customers. Create reels and short videos demonstrating how your planner transforms someone's life. Use trending sounds and hashtags to get discovered. Email marketing is absolutely essential for building long-term passive income. Offer a free version of your planner or a planning template in exchange for email addresses. Build your email list from day one. This list becomes your most valuable asset. People on your email list are way more likely to buy your products because they already know you and trust you. Create a simple landing page where people can sign up for your free planner template. This is your lead magnet. Make it incredibly valuable so people actually want it. Something that solves an immediate problem for your target audience. Deliver it immediately and start sending them valuable content. Share planning tips, productivity hacks, and success stories from customers. Content marketing is powerful because it builds authority and trust. Write blog posts about productivity, planning, and goal achievement. Create YouTube videos about time management and organization. Share personal stories about how planning changed your life. This content doesn't directly sell anything, but it makes people want to buy from you because they see you as an expert. Consider starting a Pinterest strategy if you're targeting planners. Pinterest is incredible for digital products because users are actively looking for solutions and saving content to try later. Create beautiful pins for each of your products and blog posts. Link them back to your landing pages and Shopify store. Pinterest traffic converts incredibly well because people searching for planners are already in the mindset to buy. Paid advertising becomes important as you scale. Start small with a $5 to $10 daily budget on Facebook or Instagram ads. Test different audiences and messages. Track which ads get the best return on investment. Customers pay a monthly fee for access to your entire library of planners and templates. This creates steady passive income. Build an online community around your products. Create a Facebook group for your customers. Share planning tips, success stories, and exclusive content. This community builds loyalty and creates repeat customers. People in communities spend more money because they feel connected to you and other members. Host regular challenges in your community. A 30-day planning challenge or a goal-setting challenge gets people engaged and creates social proof. Encourage participants to share their progress. This organic word of mouth is incredibly powerful for attracting new customers. Optimize your Shopify store constantly. Test different product page layouts. Try different headlines and descriptions. Change your call to action buttons. A/B test everything. Small improvements in conversion rate multiply across thousands of visitors. Going from 1% to 2% conversion rate doubles your revenue without increasing traffic. Analyze your data religiously. Look at which products sell best. Look at which marketing channels bring the most profitable customers. Look at what times of year people buy planners. This data tells you where to focus your energy. Spend more on what's working and less on what isn't. Don't just focus on selling more. Focus on building relationships. Respond to customer emails personally. Answer questions in your community. Thank customers for buying. This personal touch builds brand loyalty and turns customers into ambassadors who recommend you to others. As you scale, consider hiring help. You might hire a virtual assistant to handle customer service emails or community management. You might hire a graphic designer to create new templates faster. You might hire a social media manager to handle content creation. This costs money, but it frees you up to focus on strategy and higher-level decisions. Think about partnerships with bigger platforms. Approach educational companies, corporate training programs, or coaching businesses about selling your planners as add-ons to their offerings. These bulk partnerships can generate significant revenue in single deals. Create a signature planning system. Package your products and philosophy into a complete system that people can follow. Write a digital course or guide that teaches people how to use your planners effectively. This adds even more value and allows you to charge premium prices. Develop passive income streams beyond your Shopify store. Set up affiliate partnerships where you earn commission for recommending planning tools or productivity software you genuinely believe in. These commissions add up and require minimal effort. Use YouTube as a long-term passive income asset. Create videos about your planners, productivity tips, and planning strategies. Optimize videos for search so they get views months and years after you publish them. Include links to your products in video descriptions. This traffic converts well and keeps earning money indefinitely. Build an email sales funnel that sells your products automatically. When someone signs up for your free planner, they get an automated sequence of emails introducing your paid products.